Hello guys, in this video we're gonna taste the Pepsi Zero Sugar, Zero Calorie soft drink. It is using INS 950, that is A-sulfame potassium, and INS 955, that is sucralose. It also contains caffeine. I bought it from JioMart for just 30 rupees. It was on sale. Let's taste it. It tastes very similar to regular Pepsi, but it has little weird taste. I mean, after you drink, you will get a aftertaste. I mean, overall it is good, not that best. I would rate it 7 out of 10.